I just woke up from an accidental nap, which is why my hair is doing its own thing. Ow. Let me just fix it before we begin. Okay, that'll do. So I used to have liquid eyelids, which means I basically have no eyelid space here. I used to be able to do really cool eyeliner, but now it's been a long time since I've actually do cool eyeliner. But I just saw a new technique and I thought I'd give it a go. She started by making just a thin line along the top. Okay, it's not that thin, maybe I'll try a thin on the next eye. And she kind of came down a bit. And then flicker. Okay, the line is a little bulky, but I'm just going to work with what I got for now. So next we're going to kind of bring the tip of that line down. I can't help it, I raise my eyebrows when I do this because I'm just so used to doing it. Keep a relaxed eye. When I raise my brows, it's a little bit crazy, so we're going to fill that gap in. I don't like it. Okay, I'm going to try the other side and try and do smaller lines. Let me speed through this one, I'll stop talking. Ignore that, I'll fix it. Okay, I don't know what's gone wrong. My normal eyeliner is better than this, I promise. I don't know what I've done wrong today. It's kind of just not been my day. I'm gonna take it off and give it another go tomorrow with better lighting and smaller lines and see how we go tomorrow. Okay, bye.